So hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you install Kali Linux into your VirtualBox easily, and in this same video I am going to show you that what is Kali Linux. So please completely watch this video so that everything will be clear to you, and you will be also able to install Kali Linux operating system into your VirtualBox. So hello guys, my name is Aditya. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, before starting I would like to tell you that I am going to divide this video into 4 parts. The first part will be explanation of VirtualBox. The second part will be downloading all the components from the internet that are required for installing it. And in the third part we will see that how can you install VirtualBox and you can create a space for Kali Linux on that. And in the last part we will see that how can you install Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. Let's start with the first one part, which is of what is VirtualBox. So basically VirtualBox is a type of application developed by Oracle, and it is a software through which easily you can access any of the operating system without installing it. Means if you want to use Windows 10 and Windows 8 or any other operating system, two operating system at the same time, and you did not want to change the operating system on which you are using. For example, if I have currently installed Windows 10 and I want to use Kali Linux, so I will use a VirtualBox type of software, and that software will help me to use any other operating system. For example, Kali Linux, I can install it and I can use it in VirtualBox. It is not required that, or it is not necessary that you need to install it on your hard drive completely. So it is very nice thing, and you can easily access any operating system, not only Kali Linux, all the operating system that are available online, you can use them on VirtualBox easily. Now in the second part you have to download all the files that are required to install all these things. So first of all you need to download Kali Linux ISO file, which is available on kali.org, and you need to just click on the downloads tab which is available on the top, and then you need to click on that download tab, and then you will be able to see download Kali Linux. So you need to click on that, and then you can select any of the ISO file, or you want to download it through torrent, so you can download that also. And the second thing which you need to download is VirtualBox. So first of all you need to go to the Google, and then there you need to search for VirtualBox, and you need to click on the first link which is coming over there, and then you need to just select download VirtualBox, and it will big button, so you need to click on that, and then you will be redirected to a page where you need to select Windows host, and then when you will click on that you will be able to see the download file will be given to you. You need to select the location of the file where you want to save it, so you need to just select that, and then your download will start automatically. Now after you have downloaded components, now you need to just install it, and installation process is very easy. You need to just double tap on the installation file, and then you need to just click on next and select the file location, and then again next, and then you need to click on finish button, and all the process will be done. So now you have installed VirtualBox on your system. So now you need to create a space for installing Kali Linux. So first of all we'll open the VirtualBox by double tapping on the icon, and then there you will be able to see a plus icon. So you need to click on the plus icon, and when you will click on the plus icon you will be able to see there would be a menu coming. So on that menu you will be able to see name and the type of OS you are going to install. So basically here I am entering Kali Linux, and then you need to just select the type which is Kali Linux, and then your architecture, it depends on your PC type. So here I am selecting Debian, and then here you need to just select the RAM memory size what you want to give. So I am just giving here approximately around my capacity how much I can give. So here I am just selecting all that, and then click on next, and then you need to, it doesn't do anything over here, so you need to just keep it like that only. Then click on create, then the first one option VDI, and then next dynamic allocated, and then here you need to select the size of file allocation size. So here I am just giving here, and let it be, you can see on the screen. So you need to select the same size, 25 GB around maximum capacity, you can give it over here. And then here you can see that here the file location they have given. So you need to select anyone wherever you want to save. So I am selecting my drive D, you can select anyone according to your choice, and then here you will be able to see the location is changed. Now you need to just click on create. So after this it will create, but the work is not finished yet. You need to just give the ISO file to that. So just you need to, for that you need to just right click and then click on settings. So when you click on settings, a pop-up will be there. So click on storage and then click on empty, and then here you will be able to see a CD-ROM icon. So you click on that, and here you need to click on choose virtual optical disk. So here you can see ISO file that I want. Here I am just showing you the size. So here I have selected the location. So here just now you are done. So you need to just click on start by pressing that one what you have created. So just click on start, and now here you can see it has been opened. And now here you can see, now you need to just select the graphical install option. So I'm just selecting that, and then here you can see it's just loading. It can take a bit more time for opening, so you need to wait till then. So now here you need to select the language. So here I'm just selecting the English language, and then here you need to select your location, and then here your keyboard, what type of keyboard is you are using. So American English you need to just select. Means what is the layout of your keyboard, that you need to select over there. And now all the processes are done. Here it is configuring the network. So here just leave it blank, continue. Host name, if you don't know, leave it blank, let it be whatever it is. And then here you need to just click on that next if you don't have domain name, and just here you can see, here you need to select the name whatever you want to give. So here just next, and then here you can see the user name and password, means password. So here you need to enter this password and make sure it is remembered to you, because when you will open Kali Linux it will ask you for that password. And then here you can see to let it be first one only option, and then click on continue, and then here it will detect all the disks that are available, means. And then here you need to just select the first one, and then just here you need to just click on next, and here you can see that here you need to just click on next, and here just continue, and here you need to just select the S1 option and then click on next, means continue, and then it will detect everything whatever is left over. So here installing the base system, it's installing. So to wait for some time, I have fast forwarded this. Here you can see here HTTP proxy. If you don't have, just click on continue. I don't have, so I'm just leaving it blank. Here you can see it is installing GRUB bootloader early, and now it is finishing the installation. Remember, this can take some time, so you need to wait for that around 30 to 40 minutes. So here you can see the installation is right now completed. So now you need to just click on the continue button. So here you need to just click on that continue button, and then here you can see that it's installing, means it's turning on. So you need to wait for that, and here you need to just select your device whatever it is. So here you can see Kali Linux GN. So select that, and then here you can see it is now turning on. So now here you can see it will ask me for the username and password. So username root, and then here you can select your password that you have set, and then just next. Here you can see the Kali Linux is installed. So after doing this all settings, your Kali Linux will be installed in the virtual box, and easily you can access it whenever you want. You need to just open the virtual box, and there you will find the operating system of Kali Linux on the left hand side, and then you need to just double tap on that, and that will be opened, and you can access it anytime easily, and it is very easy. So guys, I hope this video helped you, and if yes, you can like this video, and you can subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any update on our channel. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.